Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Needed to shop with your Dasher Direct virtual card but not sure how to use it in stores. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know step by step. First, open your Dasher Direct app. Once you are in, tap on the card, tap at the bottom. You will see your virtual card details including your card number, expiration date and CVV. To use it in store, just add your virtual card to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay or Samsung Pay. Once it's added, just use your phone at the payment terminal. Hold your phone over the contactless reader, confirm with Face ID, fingerprint or passcode and you are done. Make sure you have enough funds on your Dasher Direct card. Some stores may not accept mobile wallet payments, so always check before shopping. If you run into issues, use your virtual card details for manual entry, just like an online purchase. And that's how you use your Dasher Direct virtual card in store. Like and subscribe for more quick tips.